Well, the first time in 13 years, the Beetle's left me stranded. I think it's not getting spark, so I went ahead and I had a spare distributor with me, but it was a vacuum advanced. So I put that in there. It still doesn't seem to be getting spark. And so I didn't have a coil with me, so I couldn't try that. I didn't have a meter to ohm it out. So I went back home. Ange picked me up. Went back home. Got my meter. Got another coil. Got a 009 distributor with a Petronix drop-in in it as well. And we're gonna go ahead and try that. Also got the tow bar, if that's not gonna work. And we'll figure out a way to get it back to the house. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. Stay tuned. Hopefully this will be the fix. These parts that I have will fix it. And we'll go from there. Okay. So that looks good. Let's go for resistance. 0.76. Seems like everything's good here. Let's see. All right, I'm going to take the. All right, we're going to put this. We're going to put the 009 distributor back in. What I want to do is figure out where I had one at. Here we go. What's in gear now? Here, so we'll pop this off. See, connect that. Can disconnect the condenser. And we'll go ahead and set this guy up. Is okay, there's one.
Yep.
Should be a negative there. This would be a positive here. see if we got anything here. All right, now we're gonna take the coil off, see what's going on here. It's the next move. This is negative, negative. Some negative stuff here. These would be the positives.
Will it run?
All right, now. Taking this distributor off. just turned the key, and I want to see if we're getting spark out of it. Alright, that's good. Yeah, we're not getting spark. So, something is preventing that from happening. Coil would be doing that, but I just replaced the coil. So something is not giving spark. On the coil side. But we just replaced the coil. So something that's feeding it. It's this wire here, probably. All right, you want to turn the key to ACC, not all the way on, but just turn it to it before it starts, you know. Right, is that where it's at?
Yep.
Okay, hold on. All right, it's providing power. All right, that's good. So why wouldn't this be providing? I don't know, I'm confused. Coil. Okay, so that is working. Spark, power going to the coil.
What's this that's unplugged?
This is just that other spark plug wire that I just
Okay.
had to test to see if it was getting spark, which it wasn't. So it's definitely not getting spark. Didn't seem to be getting spark with the other one. Let's try something here. It's the same thing. Yeah. There was one on this one. Let's have another spare anyway.
All the cables are new.
Hmm?
All the cables are new.
Kinda.
I feel like you just did that recently.
Let's try guessing. If you want to try that again, turn it over, and I'll just see if we get the spark just by replacing this cap.
Ready?
Yep. No, okay. So no spark. So the coil's good. That's providing spark to that. Then it's got to be the distributor. So let's do this again. Ow. Get that button straight back. Wherever that is. Sure it's good. Actually, what you can do is you can, if you want to try, turn that over again, see if it's getting a spark.
Ready?
Yeah. Nope, not getting a spark, so I don't know what it is. It's gotta be something with the ignition. Oh.
Wanna make the phone call?
I might put this thing out. Huh. Bizarre. Alright, yeah, I guess we can see if Dan can come.
You want a phone?
Guess I'll call. Hi, Daniel. I was gonna see if you were available and if we could use your truck to tow the Beetle up the towbar. Oh, sorry. Can we use your truck to tow this thing out of here from work? Okay. I have the towbar with me. I replaced the distributor with a good distributor and with a good coil. There's power going to the coil from the signal wire from the ignition, but there's no spark going from the distributor. Yeah, so I drove it yesterday and it stalled when I turned. It was when I made a turn, and then I tried to start it as I'm coasting. It wouldn't start. So I'm like messing with all the wires on the distributor, you know, everywhere, and then underneath the hood, and then boom, it starts up fine. So I parked it yesterday, and then had no other issues. Drove it to home, and then drove it here today, and then I started up this morning, this afternoon when I was heading back from work. Started up, within 3 seconds it died. And I shut off like the power was spark, and it's been turning over like since. So I don't know what it is. Yeah, it's no spark. So I don't know what. So it's probably ignition. I would think it would be ignition, but the ignition, when you turn the key on the ACC, the signal wire that goes to that feeds to the coil is putting 12 volts to it. So I don't know what it could be. I mean, it sounds like a bad coil or a bad distributor, but I just replaced them with good. Yeah, so it doesn't make sense. So I have one. Yeah, remember that guy that came over to the house and did something like that, and then I said, yeah, I'll take it for that. So, okay, I appreciate it. All right, guys, this one truly stumped me. Usually I can fix the car no matter what. No spark. I got the signal wire from the ignition. When the car's in ACC, it's putting out 12 volts to the coil. So I replaced the coil with another coil that I know that works, and I went ahead and replaced the distributor with a distributor that I know that works with the Petronics in it that I had in the bus that I was driving, and still no spark. So I don't know, is it something ignition wise? I have no idea. All the wires seem to be connected fine. I figured if that signal wire is feeding 12 volts to the coil, when the car's in ACC, it should be fine. Maybe not. Maybe there's another wire once you're fully turned over. I have no idea. So that's where we're at right now. So this is the first time in about 13, 14 years the car's left me stranded, which is pretty good. 14 years, never breaking down. Got the tow bar. Got a friend coming with the truck, and we're gonna go ahead and get it hauled out of here. And we got a storm coming right now, so hopefully we can get it. It's thundering a little bit. Got a nice little rainbow out here. Well, we'll keep you guys posted. I'll do a little further diagnosis, do a little research online, see what I can come up with. And we're gonna go ahead and find out what's going on with this no spark issue. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We'll get it wrapped up one way or another. Take it easy, guys.
That's fun.
Yeah, guess we're not going to that show tomorrow. My daily is going to have to have some work here.
How to install a tow bar on a Beetle.
Oh man, I think the car's too low. Shoot. Yeah, that's right. Do I have the jack with me? I think I do. I don't have the jack with me.
Watch. Did he already leave? So when don't you have the jack?
Oh, because I used it for the
Oh yeah, taking out the trains on the bus. That worked.
this up, you think you can try to slide this under?
Sure.
Alright.
Yeah. Can't see. Is it on it? I just gotta pull it a bit.
Yeah, I gotta pull it out.
Ah, shit. I went too far the other way. Okay.
Hitting some. It's not on it, so we're hitting. Something's in the way.
I can't see.
I think it's hitting this bracket. Big. I don't know. It's like it's too big. Weird. What are we hitting here? Oh, I'm right on that thing. Okay, maybe. All right, we gotta move this. Can you see? Not bad, dude.
Moving slow.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Hi,
Thanks.
Daniel.
I got something going on with the fan.
Oh no, Daniel. Daniel, this is the car's left me stranded.
What the hell?
This hasn't happened. And normally I can just fix it, whatever it is.
I
but,
know.
This is weird. This is probably an ignition switch or something.
Gotta be.
But it's weird that.
Yep.
Hey, that's a nice. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Good.
Yeah, that's what I use for the bus.
What I'll do is.
Oh shit, I guess I could have moved it over.
Let me see. I could probably do.
You want me to? I can.
I could probably turn it
Alright, right there.
Is it a? There you go. All right, and then I'll see if I can get like a little bolt or something.
Yeah.
Oh, you got okay fur?
That's what I use.
Yeah, there you go. And then I'll leave it.
There's no safety chains on this one? Okay.
No.
Just pins.
Usually there's like a chain
Yeah.
from here to here.
2 chain?
2 chain. Alright, I guess.
Seems in there pretty good.
Yeah, I think we're good.
Okay. Should I sit in the Beetle, you think?
No. Just put hazards on. It's in neutral.
Yep.
Kill the headlights and put it in neutral. Yeah.
Surprisingly did really well.
Yep. Daniel saves the day.
Again.
Yeah.
You saved the day again.
Oh yeah. Oh man.
Well,
Have-
grasshoppers.
Oh shit.
Look at that. Super fly.
That worked really, really well.
Yeah.
It was like hugging the back of the truck the whole time.
Yeah, it did pretty good. And then
Just back in. Sweet. I should probably start carrying this with me.
yeah. Oh yeah. You never know when.
Yeah, if I need to tow something.
You
Yeah.
never know if you have to tow like
A Beetle or a bus. By a camper, you never know.
you know.